Hi, I'm John Scott, Senior Product Manager for Adhesives at LATICRETE International. I'm very excited to tell you about Glass Tile Adhesive Lite, our new premium glass tile adhesive that will be available in February of 2021. Glass Tile Adhesive Lite has significant advantages for every aspect of your glass tile project. This is a lightweight product. It comes in a 12.5-pound bag and offers the same coverage as 25 pounds of a traditional adhesive mortar. In addition, it has tremendous non-sag capability and exceptionally long open time for maximum flexibility on the job site. This product meets ANSI A118.15. It has maximum bond strength, and it's ideal for your most challenging glass tile installations, including submerged installations. Finally, appearance. This product is non-sanded, as I said, and it has a very smooth texture and an ultra-white color. It's the perfect backdrop or canvas to show off your glass tile. And if you choose to use any one of our PERMACOLor Select pigment packs, you can also change the color of the product to virtually any color you can imagine. So please stay tuned to LATICRETE.com for further information and updates. And as always, thank you for supporting LATICRETE.